Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 4S. As you can see, this is a Redmi 4X Santoni. Let's check the specification of this ROM. You will get MIUI 12.5 Abhi X Rocks edition. This is MIUI 12.5 based custom ROM. Maintainer name is Air. As you can see, let's check the specification. You will get Android version 10 in this ROM, Android Q. As you can see, here is the security patch. January security patch is installed in this ROM 2021. 21.1.6 beta version. As you can see, off Legends, Redmi 4X off Legends. Kernel is installed, Need for Speed No Limit kernel is installed in this ROM. We will check the review. We will check all the features and the bugs of this ROM. All the bugs will be written in the description, or I will tell you in the video also. First, let me talk about the SIM and the network. As there is a problem in the first problem I faced in the is the network signal. As you can see, there is only two signals available, but in my second Redmi 5 Rosy MIUI 12.5 on all the signals are coming. It is catching all the signals, but in this ROM only 1-2 signals is coming, so there may be the network issue in this ROM, and the mobile network is working perfectly. There is no problem. I said that the mobile network is working. As you can see, I have turned on the network. It is working, but the speed is not coming as the network tower is not enough for better speed. As you can see, Wi-Fi is working perfectly. There is no problem in the Wi-Fi. Let me show you. As you can see, hotspot is already on. It works perfectly. Hotspot is also working perfectly. There is no restart of hotspot. Bluetooth is also working perfectly. There is no problem in Bluetooth. You can easily connect the Bluetooth audio devices like wireless earphones without any problem. There is no restart. I have fully tested this ROM, so don't worry. That's why I am late. In uploading this video. As you can see, in Redmi 5 MIUI 12.5, it is better than Redmi 5 Rosy MIUI 12.5. but performance is better, and the app opening speed and animation speed is better, good and best. So I recommend this ROM for daily usage. We will also check the gaming performance is also good in this ROM. I have fully tested, so don't worry. Always on display. Here is the always on display. As you can see, you will get the always on display, but there is no format change of always on display. As you can see, always on display is not working. You will get the always on display, but it will not work. Always on display you will get, but it will not work. So first bug is the always on display and the network signal problem. I have tested many other MIUI 12.5 for Redmi 4S Santoni, but in this ROM you will get only two. Raise to wake is working. If the sensor works, it will work. Tap sensor to wake your device, fingerprint sensor to wake. Let's check. It is working perfectly. As you can see, tap fingerprint sensor to wake is working perfectly. There is no problem. Lock screen format, you can change the lock screen format. It works perfectly. There is no problem. It will take few seconds to apply the lock screen format, so don't worry, it works perfectly. I have fully tested, so don't worry. That's why I am telling you about this ROM. Let's have the fingerprint and the face unlock. How fast is the fingerprint and the face unlock? Both the fingerprint and the face unlock speed is very fast. You will not feel any lag or delay in opening your device with the fingerprint and the face unlock. As you can see, let's check the fingerprint speed. Tap open. Fingerprint speed is just amazing. It works perfectly and lightning smooth. As you can see, it works smoothly without any problem. So fingerprint speed is very good. Face unlock speed is also very good. In some cases, if the light is low, it will not work very quickly. Let me apply the face unlock. You can easily add the face unlock without any problem. Here you can see. Let's check the face unlock. Stay on lock screen. Let me turn on the screen. Stay on lock screen. Let me check the face unlock. As you can see, face unlock speed is very good, better than 12.5 Rosy. As you can see, face unlock speed is just amazing. There is no problem. Here you will get the volume panels. As you can see, this is the new panels, and you will get the home screen power menu button like this. As you can see, it works perfectly. There is no problem. Let's check the display. Wallpaper is also working perfectly. You can change the wallpaper. Dark mode is available in this ROM. It works perfectly. There is no problem. As you can see, brightness level is also working perfectly. Automatic brightness is also working without any problem. Reading mode, here is the reading mode. You can adjust the light according to your use. It is working fine. There is no problem. Color scheme is also working. As you can see, saturated, You cannot adjust the color temperature. As you can see, I am not able to adjust it, so color temperature is also not working in this ROM. Font size, you can adjust it according to your use. It works perfectly. Control center, you will get the new control center. LTE instead of 4G is available. Show connection speed is also available. Percentage outside is also available right now, 14%, and the battery performance is just amazing in this ROM. You will not feel any maximum drop of the battery. So sound quality is also amazing in this ROM. There is no problem. Tap sound, vibration on tap, light, medium, strong. You can change it according to your use. It also works smoothly without any problem, perfectly. And there is the navigation bar is coming in this ROM, so you don't have any option to disable the navigation bar. Home screen bar is also available. Home screen, you can use the classic or app withdraw by swiping up. Double tap to lock screen is also working from the home screen. Lock home screen layout is also available. Arrange items in the recent tab horizontally is also available. You can choose whichever you want, which I have tested. I have got maximum performance in the battery performance, and the region is United Kingdom. You can change it to India also. But lock screen, here is the full gesture. You can use the full gestures if you don't want the navigation bar. Notification light is working perfectly, there is no problem, but rebooting time takes a lot of time, not much time. It will take 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes to reboot your device. All the special features are the same. MI account is working, your Google account is working, no need to flash any fix. I will give you all the link in the description. You can check the description. All the download link will be in the description. You can easily check. Here is a few applications. Weather location is working right now. There is only one tower low, but in other devices all the towers are coming 100% network coverage. Let's head into the benchmark score. How is the score? What is the score of our Redmi 4X MIUI 12.5 ROG? As you can see, 70,111, 729 CPU and 2949 GPU performance. Here is the memory performance. You can check it according to your use. I have shown you the number frequency. While charging also your device will hit. So let's check the gaming performance of this ROM. First let me show you if the device is certified or not. Let's get to the settings. As you can see, device is not certified. IRR 12.5 for Redmi 4X is not certified. Magis is already installed, but I have not rooted my device. It is pre-installed in this ROM. So now let's check the gaming performance. Call of Duty test. Now let's check the gaming performance in this ROM. As you can see, I'm already playing this game at 3% battery. As you can see, the performance of the game in this ROM is very good. You will not feel any lag or any drop in the performance. As you can see, let's check. Oh yes, Maria. Here are the enemies. There is no lag in the starting also. Oh, I don't know where are the enemies right now. As you can see, there is no lag in the gaming. You can easily play the game without any problem, on at least, and on 3% battery. The phone is not lagging, ROM is not lagging. You can easily play without any problem. As you can see, there is no single lag in this ROM, so you can easily play. I recommend this ROM for gaming, so don't worry, you can use it. As you can see, it works really good. So the gaming performance of this ROM in this ROM is very good, so don't worry, you will get smoother performance. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel for daily updates.